starting with the topic. First of all, I'm just taking the new file, multi-section solid. So first of all, what is multi-section solid? As the name shows you, that multi-section solid means we have number of sections, right? More than one. So now we are starting with one section from the XY plane. So here you can see there we are just taking one circle which is having one number of side only, giving the size which is 100. Now I'm just going to create one more plane at some offset value, offsetting plane from distance. So offset distance I'm specifying there is 150. So it has been transferred. Now I'm just creating one more circle at the specified distance. We need some multi-sections now, so we need some specified locations, right, which are differ. Yeah, so we are just creating one more plane so we can define one more base location. So I'm just giving 50 millimeter size of the circle. Then after that I'm just creating one more plane at some specified distance again. And now here I'm just going to create one more circle like this. Provide the value is 150. Now you can see there we have three number of entities here, three sketches we have here. Now we are just going to create multi-section solid. Here it is asking for the sections, so we are just giving one section is this. Now you will see there whenever I'm just selecting one section, you will see the name of the section is mentioned there, and there is one more thing which is called closing point. So it is showing you the closing point. Whenever I'm just giving the second section, it is showing me the closing point one more time. And here again, it is showing me the closing point. And closing point also shows one directional arrow, which shows that there is a direction of this closing point. If I'm just varying the closing point of any of them, then if I'm just going to click on preview, it will show me the error. Yeah, if I'm just going to click on this direction one more time, so it will be reversed. Now I'm just going to click on preview and it will show me the complete solid material like this. So this is called basic multi-section solid. If I have all the number of entities which are having the same number of sides, right? If I have different number of sides in each section, then we have to use the guides option, right? Yeah. So first of all, I'm just using, you can see there, I just created the three number of entities, then we just made the multi-section solid. That's why it is smoothened. If I want the straight end profile, so you just need to do one thing, just go for multi-section solid, provide one, then second, then after that we can see there, preview, it will show me the straight profile, and done. Now I'm just going to click on sketch number 2, make it hide and show. Now after that, start with the multi-section solid one more time, give one and second section, and now you have the straight end profile. This is not smoothened one, right? Because we have just used the same command for 2 times with 2 different profiles, right? So I'm just going for the next one. So now we'll see there, if I'm just changing the object there, I'm just creating one entity here which is having 6 number of sides. Means I'm just going to create one hexagon like this, and after that I'm just going to make it multi-section solid, one and then second. Now what will happen, it will not make it done. It is saying me current coupling mode cannot be applied, change the coupling mode to ratio, or add or remove guides to add or remove coupling. So here is a coupling option, just go for the section coupling and here you will find the option which is called ratio. So ratio will give you the lump sum solution. So it will make it done simply. You want to make twisted. Okay, fine. So you can simply do one thing. You just need to define the closing point somewhere else. So I'm just going for clicking on this coordinate point, going for curvature. Curvature is this one. Now give the ratio. Ratio is 0. So I'm just changing the ratio point. So ratio I'm just changing with some 0.25 distance, and now make a multi-section solid. 1, closing point is here. Second is this, closing point is revealing there. So I'm just changing the closing point by right clicking on this closing point, and here is the edit closing point. So we can define, or we just need to do one thing, right click, replace with this. So now it will show me the error. Go for coupling, ratio, done. Now you will see there will be a twist. So we can replace the closing point as well. And now if I need some curvature to provide the exact location, so I'm just going to change the ratio point, which is 0, and now here I'm just going to create one line segment with having 2 points. One point is here, second point I'm defining there, and click update. So now you will see there one line is sufficient. I'm just going to click on this one, provide one section, that is second section. Now I'm just going to click on guides, and which is the guide is this one. Click update, ratio will show me, just provide the ratio, and done. So now you see the exact location will be there. Done. So by this way we can match or create two profiles and make a multi-section solid.